Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. First up is sugar maple. Do you like it as much as I do? I hope you do. It's Ruby Star Society, so absolutely delightful. These, we have a kit for you. These 13, and then this would be your binding. These are 13 fat quarters to make folk blooms. You can make it scrappy. There's instructions on there of how to do it. Very easy to follow. Your binding will be 5/8 of a yard, so 13 fat quarters, 5/8 of a yard. These are backing options we're gonna give you, okay? You need 4 3/4 yards of backing, all right? Here's what some of the blocks will look like. How cute is it? Look at the little flowers. Do we love it? I love it. Okay, and then here's the rest of the line as well. Some more lights and things like that. Lovely. Anyways, what's in the kit is the 13 fat quarters for your flowers and your 5/8 of a yard for your binding and your pattern. You can get your own backing because you might decide to be crazy and do a dark color or go light or do a print like one of these fun things. You just never know, man. Okay, so get that. What's next? Let's go over here. I feel like there's something. Fashionista is over here by Michael Miller. Look at these. I feel like someone needs to make a fun little zippered bag for all your makeup and for all of your, what are they called? Delicates when you travel, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, then right here, we have Market Street. This is by Anka's Treasures. Heather Peterson is the designer. And we actually have, I'm gonna pull it from over here, we actually got the boxed kit for the table runner in as well, if you want that. Very stunning. Then there's those 2 patterns to use with the line as well. Then we have Froot Loop by Basic Gray. We love this. It's so different and so fun. Like, look at this. It's just totally fun. It's just so different, right? And I love the name, Froot Loop. Who doesn't love the name Froot Loop? Oh, sorry, we're over here. This is a Kathy Holden. It's called Vintage Soul. So if you have a grandma who crochets and you're making her a quilt, you should throw that on the back. How fun is that? It's very whimsical. I like it. It's very unique. Okay. Is that all? No. Where am I going? Shoot. Oh, yes. American Spirit. I got it. I'm all over it. Let's zoom back here. This is American Spirit by Benartex. Okay. Lovely. Great binding options. All 3, 4. I mean, any of these would be great for backing a quilt, especially like a Quilt of Valor or anything. This is a repeat, as you can see. But then look at this. You could do a whole cloth quilt and then like hand stitch it or just do fun quilting on it. And I just love it. I just love it. That's all. Okay, we have a show Sunday, 3 p.m. Our question for the show, if you want to be entered to win a prize on the show, is Saturday is Sweetest Day. If you celebrate, who is your sweetie? If you don't celebrate,
who is your sweetie?
Who is your sweetie? That's our question. So answer below. Shop all the links. That's all. Happy quilting. Bye.